Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to Rooms to Go credit card online. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Go and open up a web browser to begin. In the URL box at the top, type in Rooms to Go credit card, log in and press enter on your keyboard. Soon after the search results opens up on the next page, click on this first link that says Room to Go, manage account or apply my Synchrony link. Now, you'll need to go ahead and enter your Synchrony account's credential in order to log in and access your credit card. Since Rooms to Go credit card is issued by Synchrony Bank, so go to the top right hand corner and click on the login button, which will take you to the login screen. In order to access your credit card account, go ahead and enter your username and your password for your Synchrony Bank account. Go to the first text box where it says username and type in your username correct associated with your account. Head over to the password field and type in your password. If you'd like the system to remember your username in this particular device, check this remember username box beneath. Leave it unchecked if you are using a public or a shared device. In case you've forgotten your username or your password, click on I forgot my username or password link and follow the on-screen prompts in order to reset your password or to look for your username. After filling in all of your details, click the login button and access your Rooms to Go credit card online with Synchrony Bank. That is how you can easily log in and access your credit card account for Rooms to Go. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.